Hello guys, I'm Liz Acosta and for today, I'm going to teach you on how to compute for the college education tuition fee ng anak mo. Today, makikita natin yung average annual tuition fee for different types of schools. Itong computation natin is for tuition fee alone. Hindi ba kasama doon yung board and lodging, yung books, yung projects, yung food allowances, transportation, and others. This computation is for the academic year 2022 to 2023. But don't worry, tuturuan ko pa rin kayo kung paano mag-compute kapag lampas na ng taon na to. First is we have to know kung ano yung age ng anak mo. Then, we will compute for the number of years to college. So, for example, 18 years old minus 1 is equals to 17 years to prepare for college education. The next step is we have to know the average annual tuition fee increase. Next is we have to know kung anong school mo siya planong pag-aralin. And then, kung alam mo na kung saan siya pag-aaralin, just check on Google kung ano yung current tuition fee. So, for our first example, let's say Ateneo. So, upon searching, around 120,000 per SEM yung kanilang tuition fee. So, times 2, kasi 2 semesters, so that would be 240,000 yung current tuition fee nila for the year. So, ang mangyayari is 240,000 times 1.1 equals, so isang pindot yan, equals ulit, 2 pindot, 3 pindot, 4 na pindot, 5 pindot, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, then 17. So, ito yung magiging tuition fee ng anak mo. Sa first year pa lang ito, around 1.2 million. And then another pindot, 1.3 million. And then another pindot, 1.4 million. And then another pindot, 1.6 million. So, that's for 4 years. Pero pag, let's say, college siya na 5-year course, so that's 1.7 million additional. So, ang total is 7.4 million for tuition fee. Okay, so let's have another example for USD naman. So again, we have to know the age of your kids. So let's say 1-year-old again. And then years to college again is 17 years. Let's say ang annual increase rate again is 10%. So this time, ang school naman na gagamitin natin ay USD. So upon checking sa USD, ang tuition fee nila per SEM currently is around 50 to 60,000. So times yan, so that's gonna be 120,000 per year. So we are going to use our calculator again. So 120,000 times 1.1 is equals to isang pindot, 2 pindot hanggang 17 na pindot kasi 17 years to pay. So yun yung increase ng tuition fee every year, approximately. So upon checking, nasa 606,000 sa first year, second year, 666,000, third year, 733,000, fourth year, 807,000, and fifth year is 888,000. So kung 5-year course yung anak mo, that's gonna be 3.7 million pesos. I actually check other schools like CEU, FEU, so nag-range din siya sa around 50 to 60,000 per SEM. So there you go, that's how you compute for the tuition fee ng iyong anak. Yung age, yung year to college, identify which school, and then check the current tuition fee per year, then compute for the future value for first year to fourth year or fifth year man siya, then total everything. So that's gonna be the tuition fee. I understand, guys, that these numbers might discourage you, but for me, you just need to start. And then you can just adjust or add more in the future. Or another option for you is to change your preferred school to a more affordable ones. Better if you can increase your current income. I will put in the link below naman yung mga Sun Life products na pwede nyong gamitin for your college education fund. Good luck, parents!